And that's why I was talking about following our own spirit, because, like I said, it's the only thing that's going to lead us through the chaotic time that we are going to come through, we're getting ready to go through, you see. In other words, we will have the power through the trust and balance, within our spirit, to supersede and lead us, through anything. Just a second. When I had a dream, and in the dream, my spirit kept saying over and over again, fear nothing, fear nothing, fear nothing. And then I had a dream where it was like a pocket of energy. It was made up of the grains of sand, some mist of water, the sun, and the wind. And wherever this pocket of energy was going, it was disintegrating things, buildings and all. And people were trying to run, trying to get away from it. But, wherever the element could go, that's where this energy could go. So you couldn't escape it. And the only people who it was not touching were those who were not afraid. And then I recognized that this was not for me. As a matter of fact, it was of me, you see. See, the universe is governed by the laws of the universe are governed by the principles of righteousness, you see. And so what we are supposed to be is in the spiritual rotation. When we're in the physical rotation, we're going up against that universal spiritual rotation, which is about righteousness, you see, holistic. So what we have to do is reverse from the physical and get into the spiritual rotation, which means we become those spiritual warriors and protector of Mother Earth. In other words, we identify to the universe where unrighteousness is occurring. And it's through our righteous indignation that we send out the energy to go forth and make a correction. The first level will be through like weather phenomena, you see. But the thing is that we have to understand that the destruction of this earth, we want it, we want it. We want to help it alone, as a matter of fact, you see. Because this is about the prophecy, this is about the return of the Christ energy, which is going to be about restoring righteousness to an unrighteous civilization. And so there's all this serious programming going on, let's band together and fight against this evil. They've turned Saturn, which is the father energy of the earth, they've turned Saturn into Satan, and Zeus into Jesus, you see. And so what they've done, they've turned us against our own power in the favor of their power, because Zeus is the god of material abundance, you see. So we're energizing their purpose, you see, when we're participating in their rituals, and they have daily rituals. Anytime you do anything in a mass participation, you're doing one of their rituals.